Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini and I will show you how you can add or remove widgets from your home screen. So first we have to click and hold on our screen, and then we have to click on this plus on the left upper corner. Next we can find here a lot of widgets. For example, we can pick this battery widget. So we have to click on it once, and then you are able to pick the different themes of the same widget. I'm going to get, for example, this one. So click here. Right now we can move that widget like any other icon. So we have to click and hold it, and we can move it between screens. Just like that. So for example, we can put it here and click down in the right upper corner to finally attach this widget to our home screen. If you want to remove that widget, you have to click and hold and then tap on Remove Widget and confirm. And as you can see, right now we easily get rid of that widget. So yeah, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.